Presenting the Kia 2019 Optima EX. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are 1.6-liter inline four-cylinder DOHC engine, 201 horsepower, 4 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, 8-way power adjustable driver's seat, AC power outlet, 1 adaptive cruise control, air conditioning with dual-zone climate control and audio controls on steering wheel. If you are looking for a new car, this might be the one. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.